Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you looking for some incredible tech life hacks that can make your life easier? If so, you've come to the right place. From creating Wi-Fi codes for guests to repurposing your old mobile device into new tools, we've got you covered. Keep watching to learn about the top 10 tech life hacks that can make your life easier and help you finish tasks faster and more efficiently, or just show off to your friends. These tips are going to blow your mind. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Number 1. Creating Wi-Fi codes for guests. First up, we have creating Wi-Fi codes for guests. If you're tired of changing your Wi-Fi password each time you disclose it to a guest, it's time you do it the smart way. Ki-Fi.org allows you to generate a QR code to access your Wi-Fi without having to put in the password. All you have to do is enter the name of your network and password. Once you get the QR code, you can simply print it out and give it to people to scan if they want to access your Wi-Fi. Number 2. Proofreading long essays with Google Translate. Next up, we have proofreading long essays with Google Translate. If you're a student or a content writer and can't find anyone to proofread your work, Google is your friend. When you've spent a long time writing, catching errors in your work can be difficult. Luckily, you can use your ears instead of your eyes. All you have to do is copy and paste your content into Google Translate and click on the listen icon. It'll narrate the entire text to you. Number 3. Borrowing ebooks from your local library. If you're someone who loves ebooks but doesn't want to keep a collection on your device, consider borrowing them instead of buying. The platform Overdrive helps you find your local library to borrow the books you want. Apart from that, they also have special apps like Sora for students and Libby for everyone. If you need to borrow any specific book for a project or just a one-time read, you can download these apps on your mobile devices and begin. Plus, since it's an online platform, all of your books get automatically returned on the due date. Number 4. Voice typing feature for faster writing. Do you find it difficult to type due to an injury or time constraints? Save time by speaking instead of writing with the voice typing feature. It's available on both Microsoft Word and Google Docs. To enable this feature in Word, just select the dictation option from the Home menu or press Windows key plus H to see the dictation toolbar. From there, you can click on the mic and start dictating the text. To enter any punctuation, say it explicitly. The same works for Google Docs. Go to the Tools menu and select the voice typing option. Once you've done that, just click on the mic and you're good to go. Number 5. Repurposing old mobile phones into new tools. Instead of throwing away your old phone or selling it for a small price because you no longer use it, repurpose it into new tools. You can convert your old phone into a TV remote by downloading the Universal TV Remote Control app. Use it as an alarm clock and keep your primary phone away from yourself in the morning. It'll help you wake up on time and avoid checking your phone first thing in the morning. You can also transform it into a home security camera by installing the app Alfred's CCTV Camera for Home. However, make sure you put the phone in a place where you can keep it plugged in all the time. Finally, you can turn it into a dash cam. All you have to do is download the Droid Dash Cam app, activate it, buy a mount, attach your phone to the dashboard with the mount, plug it up with a power supply, and you're good to go. Number 6. Using the minus sign to filter web results. Filter out some of your web results when researching by using a minus sign. It will go right in front of the word you want to subtract from the search results. For example, when you search for the term time management, you get these results: Wikipedia, time management tips, time management tools, etc. But let's say you're only interested in tips and tools and not Wikipedia. Then simply add a minus sign followed by the word Wikipedia in the search bar, and voila, you have a filtered search. Number 7. Using power banks for portable charging. When you're traveling or out in public places, you might need to charge your phone but may not have access to a power outlet. That's where the power bank comes in handy. A power bank is a portable charger that can charge your phone, tablet, or any other electronic device. You can charge the power bank before leaving your house, and it'll be ready to go when you need it. You can get a power bank in various sizes and capacities, depending on your needs. It's also an excellent backup option in case of power outages. Number 8. Searching for specific emails using keywords. Have you ever wanted to find a particular email but couldn't remember which folder you filed it in? Well, there's a trick for that. You can use the search bar in your email account and type in keywords that you remember from the email. You can search by sender, date, subject, or even a word or phrase from the body of the email. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can find the email you were looking for. Number 9. Using your phone as a leveler. Lastly, did you know that you can use your phone as a leveler? You don't have to buy a separate tool to make sure that a picture frame is straight or a surface is leveled. Just open the Compass app on your phone and swipe left to reveal the level feature. Place your phone on the surface or object you want to level and adjust it until the screen shows a flat line. And there you have it, a perfectly leveled object without spending any extra money. These are just some of the tech life hacks that can make your life easier and save you time and money. Give them a try and see how much they can simplify your daily routine. In conclusion, these 10 tech life hacks can help you work smarter, not harder, and make your daily tasks more efficient. From creating Wi-Fi codes for guests to repurposing your old phone, these hacks are a great way to save time, energy, and resources. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you can implement them in your daily life. If you have any other tech life hacks that you would like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.